The 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia has not yet been completely crash-tried, but rather it is accessible with an extensive variety of well-being tech. We'll concede that we're somewhat miserable to see this truly four-entryway crushed into a divider for the sake of security. In the IIHS crash tests performed up until this point, the Giulia has done well. However, regardless, we require government controllers to say something to allot a score here. The Giulia comes standard with automated stopping devices, a rear-view camera, raise, stop help, and steadiness control, in addition to 8 airbags including knee airbags for both front situate tenants. Propelled well-being tech is altogether packaged into bundles. Exactly how includes are gathered relies upon the trim level. However, we extol Alfa for making the most imperative tech accessible on each Giulia, beginning with the base Giulia. The driver assistance static bundle includes front stop help, blind side screens, raise, crossway discovery, and auto darkening outside mirrors. From that point, the driver assistance dynamic plus package includes versatile voyage control, programmed crisis braking, path flight alerts, and programmed high bar headlights. Those same bundles are accessible on the Giulia D, albeit front stop help is standard there. The Giulia Quadrifoglio comes standard with blind side screens, forward impact alerts, and auto diminishing outside mirrors, so its lone well-being alternatives are packaged in the pared-down driver assistance dynamic plus package. On the Quadrifoglio, that additional cost bundle includes versatile voyage control, programmed crisis braking, path takeoff admonitions, and programmed high bar headlights. The IIHS says that the Giulia's crash structure is strong and that, when fitted with discretionary programmed crisis braking and programmed high shaft versatile headlights, it's a top safety pick. Avoid those alternatives and the Giulia's still bounty safe, says the IIHS. However, those well-being highlights are justified regardless of the additional coin.